Alright, here we are about to get back on the plane, or actually on a bus to the airport, then on a plane in New Orleans, heading back home. So before I get up in the air and deal with all that service nonsense, I want to close or adjust a position here. I have Uber here on the bottom. I've got a strangle, a 75 call, 50 put. It expires next month, but they have earnings tomorrow morning. This is today, Tuesday, February 6th. Tomorrow morning before the bell, they have earnings. So if I'm looking at Uber here, there we go. That E top left there in the purple shows earnings before the bell, February 7th. And the expected move for Friday, February 9th, $4.70 move up or down. So call it $5. It's already at 70. And my strike here is the 75. So that's like the expected move. So that's a little too close. It's up to over $2 in premium there, right there on the call side, and my put side, the $50 is down to just 9 cents, and that's 86% profit. So like normally I would probably just like close that and kind of roll it up a little. Started at 65 cents, so I made a good profit off that. But I'm working with this call side, so what I want to do is highlight both of these. This is the Tasty Trade mobile platform. Hit this gear icon on the bottom there, right down here. After those highlighted positions, I'll hit quick roll, the third one down from the top. Quick roll. This is gonna immediately bump me out to the next expiry, but I don't do the weeklies on this kind of stuff, so I hit it out to mid-April. There's the monthly expiration, the same strikes, and if you see up here, it's getting me the April expiry up there to play with already, right here. So I'm gonna bump this up a little, call that 80, and then I'll bump this up a little. I'll bring that up to 55. How about that? Delta on the 55 is 8, so it's a 92% probability it's going to stay above that. Oh, okay, delta up here is 25. That makes sense because it's closer to it, and we're just kind of dancing with it right now. I can roll this for a 2-cent credit, so I'm really not basically kind of break even on it. It'll cover the commissions maybe on that, and it'll give me a little bit more room to work with in case it pops up on earnings. Looking at the chart though, damn, they are pushing all-time highs. This is a weekly chart. This is as far back as it goes, man. So Uber is just soaring right now. It was hovering around, the mid-40s for a little bit there, and it definitely took this dip, but it is cruising. Normally I would think it ain't gonna go much higher, but it's looking pretty good. I really don't know. So this is just give me a little spidey sense. So I'm just gonna move my whole strangle up $5 even. Yeah, I bumped the put side up $5, call side up $5, and kind of hover around it a little better now. Give myself a $10 gap between, or cushion between where it's at now and the strike price there, and it's a 2-cent credit. I'm happy about that. I wasn't really looking to collect too much more of a credit. That's just icing on the cake. I'm just looking to play defense here. It's kind of shifting further and faster than I thought, as you saw on this chart. It definitely crushed it there. Look at the daily chart. Boom. Just monstrous move. All of a sudden, yeah, whatever that was. It was before earnings, probably some news, and then earnings back there. It just didn't stop, so I ain't gonna chase it too much. So we'll see if it takes a dip and I can get out of it. Yeah, that's basically it. We'll see how this goes. I'll try to fill it here. $2 commission. And yeah, $2.50 commission for doing this. $1 for each leg for just opening a position, and then the 55-cent fee there. But the credit collected is $3, so it's going to cover the commission. So I'm happy with that. It didn't fill, so I'm going to drop it. Yeah, it didn't fill at $2 immediately. I could leave it, but who knows where it's going to drift to. I'm going to replace it. Drop it down to $1 credit. And go with that. How's this going?